Hello, I'm Mako Ikeda, yes? This time, I'll be introducing the items I bought from 3COINS. I'll share the stylish and convenient items I actually used from my recent shopping trip. Consider these recommendations before your next shopping excursion. I'd like to introduce an item that impressed me with its convenience right away. A clutch holder. It's a 300 yen item available in various colors. This time I chose a simple white one. When you take it out, it looks like this, and it has something like a belt inside. So here it is. The top part is rounded, so you can attach it to your bag here. With this, you can hang your shirt or cardigan, or even a stole when you want to take it off but don't want to put it in your bag. You just open this part like this. Place your cardigan or stole inside and then close it. The adjuster lets you change the length so you can adjust the width to fit whatever you want to hang. It holds things together like this, and it also keeps your items warm. When there's a big difference between the temperature outside and inside, especially around this time of year, since the temperature difference between day and night can be quite extreme, I think a lot of people carry around cardigans or light jackets just in case. With this, you don't have to use a separate bag or carry a big bag. You can just hang your cardigan or jacket on the outside of your bag, so when you need it, you can quickly take it out without having to dig through your bag. It really helps when you're on the go. This versatile item can hold your muffler in winter, making it useful year-round. It's handy for daily use, traveling, or going out. I definitely recommend checking it out. By the way, this one isn't round. It's a round carabiner. A round ring is an accessory and so on. Okay, next up is this carabiner band pouch. This one is also a 300 yen item. Yes, the inside looks like this. This pouch comes in 2 colors, but the store I visited only had this white one. There's also a light blue color. When you open it like this, the inside is made of aluminum. So if you use a carabiner band in the summer, you can put it in here to help keep it cool. This pouch fits carabiner bands with a diameter of up to about 7.28346 inches. This cooler bag is the perfect size, eliminating the need to use an unnecessarily large bag. It fits the items flawlessly. I don't think it'll get in the way inside your bag, even for those who don't usually use carabiner bands that often. You could put something other than a crew neckband in it, perhaps even chocolate. You could put in candies that melt easily or whatever you like, so I think it's really versatile. Also, since it comes with a loop, you can attach it to your bag. The item itself is very lightweight and has a certain level of cushioning, so you don't have to worry too much about it getting squished or damaged. Okay, let's continue with this. This rotating pill case is a 300 yen product. Most items I've introduced so far don't seem like they're only 300 yen. There are actually a lot of 300 yen products. Basically, I try to introduce a lot of 300 yen items. Now this is a simple gray case. It has dividers inside, so you can put in a week's worth of medicine. You just open it from here and, oh! I was surprised at how easy it was to use. So, when you open the bottom, you can take out your medicine from here. I thought maybe you had to rotate it yourself, but actually if you press the button in the middle, it turns automatically. It feels nice. When you press the button, it rotates by itself. If you want to put your medicine in here, you just open the clear part. That way you can put in a week's worth of medicine, so you don't have to take out each type of medicine from its bag every time. You can just set it up here, and it'll be easy to take your medicine. It's also really convenient for carrying around. It's basically a pill case, but because of its shape, you could also use it to store accessories or maybe small parts like beads. It seems like it would be useful for keeping small items organized too. The clear middle part makes it easy to see what's inside, which is nice. Okay, next is this mouthpiece case. This one is a 500 yen product. Here's the main body. The color this time is white, but there was also green. This isn't a particularly high quality case, but when you open it, you'll see there's a tray inside that doesn't feel cheap at all. If you take out this tray, you can put your mouthpiece in here. The tray is designed to drain water, so if you put your mouthpiece in here after washing, any excess water will drip down. Since it can be separated like this, it's easy to clean. You can put your mouthpiece or other items in here and carry them around. But the tray itself is also shaped for draining, so you can also use it to put in a brush for cleaning. I often carry my retainer brush and other items together, so I thought it would be convenient to keep the retainer brush in here as well. One thing to note is that it says not to put cleaning solutions or chemicals inside, so please be careful not to wash things in this case. Also, it's not suitable for boiling or disinfecting, so please avoid that as well. It's best to wash it with a neutral detergent. I recently got a direct message that said something like, "Did you see the video about correcting mouthpiece that you uploaded a while ago? What happened after that?" But I'm still continuing with it. My front teeth are straight now, but the alignment of my back teeth still isn't quite right, so I'm still making minor adjustments. And the warranty period will end within this year, so I feel like I'm doing everything I can until then. So, once the warranty period is over, I'm thinking about filming a video to show what actually happened. I'm also struggling with time management, but for now I'm just trying to make things work as best as I can, and on the other hand, it's still not fitting quite right, so I'm not sure what to do about it. Anyway, moving on, this is the stain removal pen set. This is also being sold for 500 yen. Yes, this set comes with 2 pens, one large size and one mini size. So if you have this, you can quickly take care of stains as soon as they happen. If you spill something while eating, you can use this for a quick fix. The pens look like this, with a stick shape and liquid inside. For example, if you get a stain on your clothes, you just put a tissue under the fabric, press the pen on top, and dab it to let the liquid soak in. It feels like the stain is being lifted out. By dabbing like this, the stain transfers from your clothes to the tissue, so you can remove it. After that, you should wash the clothes as soon as possible that day. The mini size is 0.1 fluid ounces and the large one is 0.23 fluid ounces, so you can choose which to bring depending on your travel plans. I think it's great to have this 2-pen set. I think adults will find it useful too. It's also great for people with children, especially if you have kids. I think it's common for their clothes to get stained while they're eating, but having this on hand gives you peace of mind. Sometimes just rinsing with water doesn't really get the stain out, but since this pen contains a mildly acidic solution, it works better than just washing with regular water. You can't use it by itself, you need to use it together with a tissue to help lift the stain, so don't forget to bring tissues with you as well. In the worst case, you could even wrap it up with toilet paper or a towelette if you have to. If you just leave the stain sitting on your clothes, it gets harder to remove, so it's best to be prepared and deal with it right away. Okay, lastly, these are the stick bags with a measuring spoon attached. You get 20 in a pack for 300 yen. This time, the stick bags come in various sizes and the designs have changed depending on the size. This time, I bought regular clear bags with gussets, but there were also some with aluminum types. The opening is at the top here. There are dotted lines here, so you can open it from this part. Up until now, I thought the opening was on the side like this, but this one is designed so you can open it along the top edge, so you can store things neatly even in small spaces. It's really convenient. It feels like you're opening the top part of a tissue box, so it opens easily. There, it's open. The design of the bag's string and the top part of the case are the same, so it's easy to tell which bag is which. You can just keep them lined up like this and take them out one by one. See, it comes out so easily. Here's the bag. Isn't the combination of pink and green just adorable? I chose the largest size available for sale this time. It even comes with a mat. This can be used for refrigeration, freezing, and even room temperature storage, making it convenient for storing food and other items. You can also use it as a travel bag, to store clothes, or to keep small items like pouches organized. And since a lot of people are going to the beach or pool around this time of year, you can use it as an outdoor bag too. It's also really handy to have for summer outings. I often bring it when traveling. You can compress clothes, organize souvenirs and purchases, or store snacks and food to keep fresh. I like to eat sweets upon arriving at my destination, so it's useful for that too. Having a Ziploc bag like this is really convenient. I honestly feel like I can't live without Ziploc bags in my life. Accessories and things like that are also sold in sizes that fit perfectly into Ziploc bags, so you can choose your favorite color or size. So this time I'd like to introduce the items I bought at 3COINS. Once again, I picked up some really useful and helpful things. If you see something you think would be useful, please try adding it to your daily life. Popular items tend to sell out quickly, so I recommend checking them out as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. This was Makoto Ikeda. Bye bye.